In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily insert and edit headers in your Google Docs file using two straightforward methods. A header is a great way to add a title, page number, or any important information that you'd like to appear on every page of your document. It's a very useful feature that many of us might need, whether for professional documents or personal projects. So let's dive right in. We'll start with the first method, which involves using a simple double-click action. To begin, open that specific Google Docs file where you want to add the header. You'll be looking at your document now, which is ready for editing. Now, here's the trick. Take your mouse or trackpad and double-click right at the very top of the page, just above the main text area. What happens next is fantastic and seamless. The header section will open up right away. This is where you can start typing your desired text. It could be a title, maybe a page number, or any other information you want to consistently display on each page. Once you're happy with what you've typed in, you'll want to exit the header area and go back to working on your main document. Simply click anywhere outside of the header section, maybe back in the main text body of your document, to close that header view. You've successfully added text to your header using this quick access method. Now let's move on to the second method, which is slightly different but equally effective. This method involves using the top menu in Google Docs to insert your header. Start with your document open and navigate your attention to the upper menu bar. Find and click on the option labeled Insert. This brings a drop-down menu into view. From here, move your cursor to the Page Elements submenu and then click on Header. This action will prompt the header area to appear at the top of your document, much like with the first method. Now go ahead and type in your header text. This text, as before, can be anything you prefer or require, like a running header title or a document version number. Once your text is set up the way you want it, click outside the header area, and you'll notice that you have smoothly exited the header setup and are back in your document. And there you have it, two simple and efficient ways to insert headers in Google Docs. Each method has its own advantages: the double-click for a quick setup, or using the Insert menu for more menu-oriented navigators. Pick whichever suits your workflow best, and you can always change it up as needed. Thanks for joining me as we explored these techniques, and I hope this enhances your document editing experience.